Today we are trying to find the trig value of y equals sine 3 times theta. If theta is pi over 4, so you do 3 for 1 times pi over 4, which would be 3 pi over 4. And then sine of 3 pi over 4 is what you get. And you find the reference angle, which is the pi over 4. And sine of pi over 4 is the square root of 2 over 2. And then to find if it's positive or a negative, you find the quadrant that it's in. And this would be 0, 2 pi. This would be pi. This would be 3 pi over 2. This would be pi over 2. And 3/4 pi is in the second quadrant. And so things in the second quadrant that are positive are sine and cosecant, and so it would be positive square root of 2 over 2.
Is that right?